Hey class, welcome back to Chapter 3, Linear Relationships. Today we'll be looking at Exercise 3F, sketching linear graphs using x and y-intercepts. So in our previous exercise, we looked at sketching graphs from the y-intercept and any other point. We used the gradient intercept method where we increased x by 1, so substituting in x equals 1 to find a second point to then draw our linear graph. Another method that we can use, which is pretty similar, is to identify both the x and y-intercepts. So the y-intercept is the same as it has been previously, and to solve for the x-intercept. So let's try that with an example. We're going to use the intercept method to plot the graph of y equals negative 2x plus 4. So same as previously, we'll identify the y-intercept. Okay, and in this case, our y-intercept is positive 4. So what that means is that our y-intercept is 0, 4. And there's our first point on our graph. Okay, we can also solve that by substituting in x equals 0, meaning that y equals negative 2 times 0, which is just 0, plus 4, leaving us with that y value of 4. We're now going to solve for a second point on the line. Okay, and this time the point is going to be the y-intercept, the x-intercept. So to solve for the x-intercept, we need to let y equal 0. Okay, so the x-intercept is where the graph cuts through the x-axis, and everywhere along the x-axis, the y value of that coordinate will be 0. So if we substitute y equals 0 into the equation, we get 0 equals negative 2x plus 4, and then we just need to rearrange the equation to solve for x. So we can move the 4 across and make it a negative 4. I'm going to move the 2x across and make it positive, just so that we only end up with positives. It's a lot easier to lose negatives, okay? And then dividing both sides by that 2, we get x equals 2. So what that means is that our x-intercept is 2, 0, okay? Because when y equals 0, x equals 2. And that's it. I've got 2 points that I can now draw on a graph. So again, use a ruler. Okay, I need my graph. Oh, that was much better. Okay, to go as high as 4. 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoa, that is nowhere near 0. Let's fix that. Sorry, guys. Okay, so at x equals, we need to go as far as 1, 2. And I don't actually have to label every single dash with a number. As long as they're evenly spaced, it can be quite obvious as to that, like, each of these points along the y-axis is equal to 1, or a step of 1, and that this point here is 1, 2. Okay, and then we'll just draw our points and connect them with a straight line. So my x-intercept is 4, my y-intercept is, x-intercept is 2, my y-intercept is 4. We draw a straight line through those 2 points, and we label the line y equals negative 2x plus 4. And that's it. We have a straight line graph using only 2 points. This time, those points are the intercepts. As always, guys, good luck with the work. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, take care, and I'll speak to you all very soon.